Hey guys, in this video, I'm showing you how to turn on iPhone Findable after power off, so you can still track your iPhone even when it's turned off. Alright, let's get started. First, I'm opening the Settings app on my iPhone. Now I'm tapping on my Apple ID name at the top of the screen. Next, I'm tapping on Find My. Now I go ahead and tap on Find My iPhone. Here, I'm turning on the toggle for Find My iPhone if it's not already enabled. Right below that, I'm turning on Find My Network. This is the important part. This allows my iPhone to stay findable even after it's powered off. Now I'm also turning on Send Last Location. This helps send my iPhone's last location to Apple when the battery is about to die. Now let me show you how to check if it's working. I'm pressing and holding the side button and volume button. And here, under the Slide to Power Off option, I can see the message, iPhone Findable after power off. That means it's working perfectly. Just keep in mind, your iPhone should be running iOS 15 or later. You need an iPhone 11 or newer, and Bluetooth must be turned on. That's it. Now your iPhone can be tracked even after it's turned off using the Find My network. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more iPhone tips.